Hey everyone, welcome to the 8th episode of my 100 Simple Games with Pygame series. Today, we're starting off with a fun little challenge called Memory Game. I'll show you the full process, from the very first line of code, through a quick build montage, all the way to playing the finished game. Let's jump right in. Let's create a new Python file and start coding. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Setting up the core variables for the game layout and card state tracking. The link to this code is in the video description. Here we shuffle the numbers and generate the grid of cards with their position, value, and flip state. Now let's jump into the main game loop where all the action happens. And don't forget to watch the previous episodes too. The link to this code is in the video description. And don't forget to watch the previous episodes too. Let's add the final touches and the game should be done. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for the next game. Thank you for watching the full episode. See you in next one.